In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business Revolut account. Open your web browser and search for Revolut. Click through to the official Revolut website and look for the option to create an account. You'll be guided to choose your country, so make sure Revolut supports businesses in your location. If you're unsure, check the supported countries list on their site before proceeding. When you're ready, continue. Next, select your legal business type. Choose the option that accurately matches how your company is registered, such as a limited company, sole trader, or partnership. This matters for compliance, so pick the one on your official documents, then continue. Enter your email address and continue. Head to your inbox and authorize the login from Revolut's message. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Once authorized, you'll return to the sign-up flow. Provide your phone number, making sure you've selected the correct country code. Continue and enter the verification code sent via text. Create a strong, unique password you won't reuse elsewhere, then continue. You'll now be asked for some personal details. Enter your date of birth and continue. Add your residential address exactly as it appears on your identification, then continue. Search for your business's legal name. When you see it, select the correct entity and continue. Now fill in your business details. Enter the full legal name, your company registration number as recorded by your local registry, and the date of incorporation. Accuracy is key here. Match what's on your official records. Continue to the business address section and add the registered address, including city and postcode. Continue again. It's time to verify your identity. Start the verification flow and choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license, depending on what's accepted in your country. When prompted, start the video recording. Follow the on-screen instructions to show your face clearly and capture your ID. Use good lighting, hold the document steady, and make sure all details are readable. Once your verification is submitted, you'll be taken to your dashboard after Revolut completes their checks. This review can be quick, but in some cases it may take longer, and you might be asked for additional documents to confirm your address or business details. When you're approved and land on the dashboard, you're all set to explore your new business account and begin managing your company finances.